Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here mega bundle of pin templates, but these are protected. First you need subscription and then you have access of my all file. First go to Sheri skpwt.com and then buy the subscription for lifetime, just one payment. Okay. Bi-Flod voucher and brand manual for Adobe XD, InDesign voucher, and here business card with different category: business card, photography, real estate, rent a car, vintage and wedding business card, car wash, corporate, gold and black business card. Okay, next, case study templates for Adobe InDesign, email signature, here 11 color in PSD file, Photoshop. Okay, flares, here 18 flare with different categories: yoga, university, restaurant, rent a car, real estate, photography, mobile phone, app promotion. Okay, sorry, mobile app promotion, fashion flare for double illustrator and Photoshop, car and COVID. No COVID anywhere. So gift certificate, next gift voucher. Okay, then creation templates, invoice, wonderful, APS for double illustrator, then magazine, here 5 magazine, newsletter, modeling camp, and here office ID card, 2 office ID card with different color, I mean 4 color. Next, photo album, you can import your own photo or you can modify your own choice. Real estate voucher for InDesign, scare, roll-up banner, here 3 roll-up banner, fitness and construction roll-up banner, proposal, real estate registration form for Photoshop, and here last web banner, product cartilage for Adobe InDesign. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and get subscription for access of my all file. Take care. I love it.